Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss 10 stocks to invest in 2022. So to make the list of these 10 companies, we have identified the market leaders from different sectors. So today we are going to do the technical analysis of these 10 stocks and we will see how much potential is available in those stocks on basis of our technical analysis. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel so that it will help us to build large community and you will get a regular update on value buying opportunity in the stock market, and you will learn how to do a fundamental financials and technical analysis of these stocks and how to identify the opportunity in those value buying stocks. So let's start our discussion. We are in the screener, and as I mentioned, we have identified 10 stocks for 2022, and these are the market leaders from their sectors. So if you can see, have identified Hindustan Unilever for FMCG sector, we have identified HCL from IT sector, Tata Steel from steel sector and metal sector, Berger Paint from paint and furnace sector, Pidilite from chemical industry, HDFC from financing sector, HDFC, AMC again from financing sector, Axis Bank and HDFC Bank again from financing sector. So there are 4 financing sector stocks we have identified in our list of 10 companies, and the last one is Dr. Lal Path Laboratory, that is from pharma sector. These are the identified stocks are market leader from their sectors, and they have posted the consistent growth in terms of revenue and net profit as far as the financials are concerned. So in this video, we will see the technicals of all the 10 stocks and we will try to identify how much technical potential is available in this stock for investment of next 1 year. So this is the chart of Hindustan Unilever. So if you can see HUL, this is the strong resistance and support line. So currently the stock is trading in this range. If I can draw it, so these are the 2 horizontal lines I have drawn. So these are the support and resistance line, and stock is trading in this price level from last few months. If you can see the above horizontal line, it has formed the complex cup with handle. So this is the cup, this is first handle and this is second handle. It has given a minute breakup also. It has given the minute breakout also from this price level of 2408, but again taken the multiple support at this price level. And currently, if you can see, the stock price is trading below the 200-day moving average. So on basis of cup with handle pattern, if I can take the lower price and draw it up to the neckline and take this price level and put it on the neckline, we will get our potential target of 2904. So our technical target for Hindustan Unilever is 2904, and from current price level, the potential available is 25%. And even if you can see, the company has posted the all-time high of price level 2852, and from current price level, if you can draw it up to the recent all-time high, the potential available is 23%. So on basis of our technical target, the potential is 25%, and on basis of recent all-time high, the potential is 23%. Now the next stock is HCL Technology. So currently, if you can see, it has corrected by huge margin recently. So let me draw a horizontal line for you. So this is the all-time high which they have posted recently, and from that price level, the stock has corrected by almost 20%. And in last 2-3 days of trading, it is going upward from this price level. So this price level is again the strong resistance and support price level. Now again, if you can see in HCL also, it has formed a small reverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. So on basis of reverse head and shoulder pattern, our technical target will be, so let me draw it and put it on the neckline, we will get our technical target. So in case of HCL Tech, our technical target will be 1557, and from current price level up to the technical target, the potential available is more than 30%, that is 33.6%. So again, that is a good potential. So company like HCL, which is corrected by good percentage recently, and because of that, it has given the opportunity, and this is the right time to invest in HCL Tech. The third stock is Tata Steel. So Tata Steel has given the all-time high recently, and it has given a huge rally in past 1.5 years, and it has posted the all-time high of this price level. So this is the 1526 price level, and there is no chart pattern formed in Tata Steel. From the all-time high, the stock has corrected by few percentage, and currently it is trading below the 200-day moving average. And also, if you can go to the financials of Tata Steel, you will find out that company is posting a highest ever net profit in last 3-4 quarters. So again, and it is available at a very good valuation of less than 4-5 PE. So again, it is a undervalued stock currently, so which is giving us the opportunity to invest in Tata Steel. So let me draw it from the current price level up to the all-time high. We will get a potential that is almost 30%. So again, this is also a good opportunity. That is why I have identified Tata Steel for 2022. The next stock is Berger Paint. So in Berger Paint, if you can see, the stock is again trading at a strong resistance and support line. It is taking a multiple support at this price level. So after giving the breakout from this price level, it has taken the multiple support at this price level, and it has become the resistance also. So that is why this is a strong resistance and support line as far as Berger Paint stock pattern is concerned. Also, it is given the all-time high recently, that is 872, and from current price level up to the all-time high of 872, the potential is 18%. But there is one more potential. If I can draw this price level, so a small reverse head and shoulder pattern has formed. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So on basis of reverse head and shoulder pattern, so let me draw it up to the neckline, and let me put this price level on the neckline. We will get our technical target. So on basis of all-time high, the potential is 18% from the current price. On basis of reverse head and shoulder and our technical analysis, the potential is 31% from the current price level, and the price is 963. So again, this is again a good potential. So we have so far seen Hindustan Unilever, HCL Tech, Tata Steel, and Berger Paint. So in all the 4 stock, a good potential is available, more than 20-25%. So again, this is the Pidilite, and Pidilite is a consistent compounder, we all know, and it has posted the all-time high of 2763 recently. And from current price level to all-time high, there is a small potential gain of 11% available. Again, let me draw a small technical target of this also. So this is the, again, means a small reverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. On basis of this, if I can take the lower price level up to the neckline, we will get our technical target. So again, the technical target is also same, that is the all-time high of 11%. So on basis of both technical target of reverse head and shoulder and all-time high, the potential is 11%. But as far as the Pidilite is concerned, as this is a consistent compounder, going forward for next 1 year, it will give you a much higher, and it will post a next all-time high. Now the next stock is HDFC. So again, HDFC, if you can see, it is currently trading at a strong resistance and support line. It is taking a multiple support at this price level, and if I can extend this price, you can see, so this is the resistance point, and after giving the breakout here, it has taken the multiple support at this price level. So again, this is a strong resistance and support line. Now on basis of our technical analysis, HDFC also has formed a reverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder, and on basis of reverse head and shoulder pattern, we will get our technical target. That is, on basis of reverse head and shoulder, we will get our technical target, that is 3500. and from current price level up to the potential target of 3500, there is a 40% potential available in HDFC. So that is again a huge potential. HDFC, after giving a breakout from this price level of 2503, it has again formed a second chart pattern, that is cup with handle. And if I can draw it for you, so this is the cup and this is the handle. So on basis of cup with handle, let me draw the price level and put it on the neckline to get our technical target. So we will get two target as far as the HDFC is concerned. So the first one is on basis of reverse head and shoulder, that is 3500 with 40% potential gain. And the second is on basis of second chart pattern, that is cup with handle. And from current price level, the potential available is 36%. So again, there are two target as far as HDFC is concerned. The next stock is HDFC AMC. So similar to other stock also, HDFC AMC is again trading at a strong resistance and support line. So that is a good thing about these stocks again as far as the technicals are concerned. And on basis of our technical chart pattern, so this is again reverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And if I can draw from the lower price level up to the neckline and take this price level and put it on the neckline, we will get our technical target, that is 4673 price level. And from current price level, if you can see, there is a huge potential available because this stock has corrected by good percentage recently because of market. So from current price level, the potential available is more than 100%. So and the price level is 4673. So that is a good potential as far as HDFC AMC is concerned. Now coming back to next stock, that is Axis Bank. So recently I have out of these 10 stock, recently I have made few of the videos of detailed analysis as far as individual stocks are concerned. I will put the link of that video in the description box. So please check those videos also, and you will get the ideas of the fundamental and financials of both the company. So now coming back to Axis Bank. So again, if I can draw this price level, so this is a strong resistance price level. And again, if you can see in Axis Bank, this is the cup and this is the handle. So it has formed a cup with handle pattern, and from lower price level up to the neckline, let me draw it for you and let's take it and put it on the neckline. We will get our technical target. So in case of Axis Bank, our technical target is 1296, and from current price level up to 1296, the potential available is 63%. So again, that is a good potential. So the second last stock is HDFC. And if you can see, again, HDFC is also trading at a strong resistance and support line. And as far as our technical analysis is concerned, so it has also formed a small cup with handle recently. So this is a cup, this is the handle. And on basis of cup with handle, let me draw a lower price level up to the neckline and take this price level and put it on the neckline. We will get our potential target in HDFC Bank. So our potential target in HDFC Bank is 1838, and from current price level up to the price level of 1838, we will get a 20% potential gain. So again, that is a decent gain as far as HDFC Bank is concerned. Now the last stock is Dr. Lal Path. So again, this is a consistent compounder from the pharma industry. And if you can see, this has posted the all-time high of price level 4238, and from recent all-time high, it has corrected by almost 33%. So that is a very huge correction as far as this market leader is concerned. And from current price level, if we can take it up to the recent all-time high, the potential available is 37%. So again, that is a very good potential. And if you can notice, this stock is currently trading below the 200-day moving average. So again, that is a second sign. It is giving us that is a good opportunity to invest in Dr. Lal Path current. So we have seen all the 10 stocks. So let me just quickly recap. So in Hindustan Unilever, on basis of our technical analysis, the potential available is 25% with the price level of 2904. In HCL Technology, the potential available is 33% from current price level with the price of 1557. In Tata Steel, from the current price level, the potential available is 29% with the price of 1526. In Berger Paint, from current price level, the potential available is 31% with the price level of 963. In Pidilite, a small percentage of 11% potential is available with a recent all-time high of 2763. In HDFC, there are two potentials. So from current price level on basis of cup fit handle, the potential available is 36% with the price level of 3392, and the second target, that is 40% with the price level of 3500. In HDFC AMC, a huge potential is available as the stock has corrected by huge percentage recently. So in HDFC AMC, the potential available is 100% with the price level of 4673. In Axis Bank, the potential available is 63% with a price level of 1296. In HDFC Bank, so from current price level, the potential available is 20% with a price of 1838. And the last stock, that is Dr. Pathlab, the potential from the current price level is 37% with a price of 4238. So these are the 10 stocks where the decent percentage of potential gain is available, and this could be a very good investment as far as the next year investment is concerned. So again, when I am saying this is a good opportunity, kindly do your due diligence or consult your financial advisor before investing in the stock market. So here we learn about how to do a fundamental financials and technical analysis of a stock, how to find out the value picking and the opportunity in different stocks. So I hope you have liked this video, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.